Hello everyone, welcome to Love and Solar. Here are our new solar ball lights. There are 5 different sides for your option. Let me show one of it to you. This is the base. You can see it is stainless steel material. And this is PC material. It is supported with powerful solar panel and rechargeable battery. And there is the switch in it. When you turn it on, it can automatically off during the day and automatically on during the night. As you can see, it is very convenient to use. No wire or other installation required. We have different size, colors: white, warm white, blue, green, red, and RGB colors. They can create a fantastic and romantic atmosphere with good illumination effect that is soft and comfortable. They are perfect for garden, balcony, bedroom, and other outdoor decoration. Thank you.